Welcome, this is Dr. Mike with another B3 BFR update, and I always like to start off with a tip for you when you're doing BFR. I call this the 10-second method, and it's simply holding the BFR exercise for another 10 seconds. For example, if you're doing bicep curls, when you get to the end, just squeeze and hold at the top right here for 10 more seconds, and you'll produce 10 more seconds of lactate. Now, you can do this on any type of exercise, on the elliptical, on the bike, doing yoga, Pilates. Find a way to squeeze your muscles for another 10 seconds. That produces more lactate, more growth hormone, and more results. The 10-second hold method. Take your BFR to another level. Message number 2, science. Dr. Adams shared with me in October 2025 recent study, and let me share with you what this study showed. They looked at approximately 75,000 adults between the ages of 40 and 79. And what is the purpose of the study? It is to see the effect on different intensities of exercise on all-cause mortality, like cancer and the number one killer, heart disease. And here's what they found. Very interesting. Vigorous exercise like BFR is not a little bit more beneficial, it is substantially beneficial. Listen to how they equate time in vigorous, like BFR, to time in moderate or light exercise. 1 minute of vigorous exercise is the equivalent of 4 to 9 minutes of moderate exercise. Now the fascinating one. 1 minute of vigorous exercise, like putting your bands on and getting the burn, is the equivalent of 50 to 150 minutes of light exercise. That means if you go for a walk for 50 minutes, you can get the same benefits in 1 minute of vigorous exercise. And what I find fascinating is the science is catching up to where we have been for the last several years. We know that very short 2, 3, 5, 10-minute vigorous BFR sessions creates those incredible benefits, including nitric oxide and growth hormone. And the summary of the science was this, that doing these short vigorous exercise has a 2 to 4x multiplier on reduction of all-cause mortality. We're all wanting to live longer. We're all wanting to live healthier. Here's a study now that backs it up. Vigorous short exercise is the new way that we can exercise for longevity and health. Number 3, we're coming into the holiday season and everybody's going to be thinking about weight loss, especially after enjoying all those awesome meals and treats and pies and cookies over the holidays. I know I'll enjoy some, but everybody is looking for either resuming or starting or upping their exercise program in January, and many people are looking for weight loss. Get a head start on helping them now. If you didn't know, on our B3 Share app, the free education app, we have a great section on weight loss. So just go to B3. At the top in the search bar, just type in weight loss, and then you can send the direct link to your weight loss page on your B3 Sciences site to anybody you care about, especially people you see over the holidays at Christmas and New Year's celebrations. In that weight loss section, it talks about how BFR, vigorous exercise, can elevate daily metabolism by 600 to 800 calories per day. Share that with the people you see during the holidays. What if in January you could do 5 to 10 minutes of exercise, easy, no pain, light exercise from anywhere, and burn an extra 600 to 800 calories in the next 24 hours. That not only is going to cause rapid weight loss and fat burn, it is a permanent exercise solution for maintaining weight. Share that with the people you care about. And finally, we just concluded our annual live BFR certification course this last Saturday, December 13th. Now, why would you want to be certified? Well, first, for yourself, this 6-hour course that we just completed goes into all the science and physiology of BFR, how it creates this internal signal that works with your biology, doesn't fight against it, doesn't create stress, actually creates growth and longevity. I encourage you to take this BFR certification course. The second reason is so you can help other people. Maybe you're a health pro or a fitness pro, maybe you're not. Many of the people that take the course are simply interested in learning how BFR can help them, and they can help more people. Now, this course, this 6-hour course, was just posted online by Easton, our VP of Marketing, and it's accessible to you at any time. So you log in, go at your own pace. You can complete it in one day, or you can complete it over the course of several weeks. I want to encourage you to consider getting certified. We are going to extend this special price of only $189 to be certified through the end of December so that you can take the course right on the platform. The normal price is $289. In addition to taking the course online, there will be a 32-question quiz that you will take, and I know you'll pass it because you'll be paying attention, and then you will be certified. We will send you your BFR certification certificate, and in the top right corner of your B3 affiliate website, it will say B3 Certified Coach. Again, I want to encourage you, take the BFR certification course. You will learn so much information on how this can help you and your loved ones. Well, this was another great update on all the incredible benefits of BFR and B3, and I want to encourage you to implement them for yourself, to be your healthiest and fittest self, and to share it with the people you care about.